yourself massive wagon. Welcome to Monday Lifestyle. So today I'm going to be going on the road and doing some errands. So come along with me while I take you on my errands, alright? Let's go! Alright, massive. So the first stop is going to be picking up my son Jory from Trinity. So here we go. Hi, Jory! Today, Jory? You're fine. How was school? Wonderful. It was wonderful. You're glad that it's the last day? Okay, no problem.
Alright, no school tomorrow. No school Sunday, I mean.
Oh, no Sunday class?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, massive. So, went on the road today and picked up some stuff at the wholesale. And I saw this particular cupcake. I've never had this in pineapple, so I'm going to try it right now and give my review on what it tastes like. If you've tried it, it's so good though. The pineapple is pineapple. It smells good. So let me just go ahead now.
What's the name of that?
It's the Kiss Cream Fill Cupcake. But this one is flavored pineapple. The frosting is pineapple. Alright, so let me try it. Yeah, just have a vibe. Nice and yellow. Pineapple, nice. Can smell it, taste it. It could be more pineapple, but I am tasting pineapple.
Pineapple, eh?
Yeah. I would give this 6.57. Yeah. The texture is nice and everything, but I just want the pineapple to be more pineapple-ish. No. Yeah. So, I would give it that. I would give it 6.5 or 7. Alright? Boy, you buy it all the plastic, you know ram though. How is it?
I don't really taste the pineapple. I don't really taste the pineapple.
You smell it, but the taste is not as strong as the scent of it. You smell the pineapple.
I'm not smelling pineapple nor tasting pineapple.
How much is 3 bags? They just
I
bust.
don't know what kind of scent is that, but not pineapple to me, but maybe a 6 out of 10. Not all too much. 5.5. That's it. Artificial flavor. That's why the pineapple taste not even strong or pronounced. You know, it's artificial. Alright.
Thank you. Liquor.
Like.
Come taste it. Let me know if it tastes good.
Not charging packaging. Neat.
Yeah, compress. Machine seal.
That look like what's your name again?
Bo.
You can't get for go. Bicycle man come crack a while ago and then.
Alright, massive. So we're on our way now to buy some gas to put in the car. And I learned something new this evening. So we was on TikTok and we watched a video that was speaking about what's the difference between the 87 gas and the 90 gas. So the higher octane gives premium gas and greater resistance to early fuel ignition, which can result in potential damage. So the higher the octane number, the higher the pressure the fuel can withstand before self-ignition. Alright children, so the surprise is we're going to Wendy's. Last surprise.
Oh, yeah, I knew what. It's my first time going. What did you know?
No, Ricardo. I think he went before.
What did you know? No.
But them sleeping police, I rock you to sleep.
Rock you out of sleep.
All of that stuff. Go, go, go.
Do their food taste good?
Yes, it does. Go. Go. Go in here. And, yeah. Hi. Man, that's straight in your back. Can I want to look like the KFC Colonel a bit? Hi Amanda. Hi Jory. Hi Zamari. You heard me talking about fish? No, I didn't buy fish for you. Looking at yours, Amanda? Yes. What you got, Samari? What type of burger? Cheeseburger? Yes. What you got, Jory? Amanda, move into the fries, not itching. How the fries taste? You like it? Not the napkin, Jory. Oh, Zamari.
I have a feeling that I got cheeseburger as well.
Yes, you all have cheeseburger. So try it and let me know what you think of it. Zamari, try it and let me know if you like it. Try it. Manda, eat up on the fries. How it tastes? Oh, that thumbs up there looks so daddy. How it tastes, Jory? You like it? Anything special about it?
Big.
You have something special about it, Sam? What is special? The cheese?
Same thing, man. Cheese.
Manda, you like it? You try it, Manda? How is it? It's okay? Will you try it?
No.
Try it now. Yes, it's good for you. It's vegetable.
This is good.
It tastes good?
A bit salty.
It's a bit, the pickle is a bit salt. I saw pickle stain. I think pickle again. A cucumber? A cucumber make it so? I think a cucumber then put in a salt. Yeah. Watch your face. Man. Alright, take it out. It look like it had depressed you. You can give it to Ricardo. You want one of the pickles? Don't take off your finger, man. Try it, bro. How it taste? Taste nice?
The taste is nice.
Okay. So that one is a fish bowl?
Yep. Wendy there.
Not the Wendy on the TV. You put ketchup on it, bro?
No.
So I gotta try it as is. Alright. Try it. How it is.
spicy.
It's spicy. Well, it named spicy fish.
Yeah, man.
It's good.
It's good. Alright, awesome. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it is that you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and click that notification bell if you have not yet subscribed. And until next time, walk good. Bye.